Hey, Money Magnets, let's dive into why Navy Federal is being replaced by Andrews Credit Union $50,000 credit cards.
Look, guys, the great thing about it, they got high limits and anyone can join. We're going to tell you how to join it later in the video.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first credit card,
Okay.
which is the Supreme Rewards Signature Visa credit card. Now, this credit card goes up to $50,000. Marvin, can you imagine having just one card at $50K?
That's good.
I normally see that on the business side, but
Right.
not so much on the personal side.
Right.
So let's talk about some of these benefits that the card offers, okay? So if you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days, they give you a bonus of 10,000 reward points, okay?
Nice.
And the other wonderful thing about this card, you get 4 times the points on streaming,
Right.
and like I'm big on points, Money Magnet. That's really big for me,
Yeah.
okay? You also get reward points for, you can redeem them for cash or
Yeah.
merchandise or credit, a credit card statement.
Right.
And you get 2 times the reward points on commuting, like for gas, or if you have an electric car and you need to do a charging station, and then you also get 2 times the points on dining,
Right.
food delivery. So if you're a big Uber Eats user, like we are sometimes, you'll get 2 times the points on that. And you get 1 time the points on everything else, And another thing I love about this card, Marvin, there's no foreign transaction fees and no annual fee on this card. When we're talking about annual fees, that's a big deal nowadays, because I've seen annual fees go all the way up to $695 a year.
Yeah.
So this one you don't pay anything. Also, it has trip cancellation protection.
Right.
It has cell phone protection. Like, these credit unions are really coming with a big bang. But let's dive into the next card, Marvin.
Okay. All right, guys, let's talk about the Titanium Rewards Visa credit card. All right, with this card, you get 3 times the points when you buy grocery and gas, 1.5 times the points for all other purchases, and you get 10,000 bonus points if you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. But what I really love about both of these cards, you actually get the Visa Concierge for free, which makes travel super easy when you can book things like travel, dining, entertainment while you're out of town. And remember, guys, the limit goes up to $50,000 with no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay. So the Supreme Visa credit card. Okay. So Marvin, I love this credit card. So this card is good for if you have some high, debt on one of your other cards and you want to do a balance transfer.
Right.
This card would be the card for you. Okay. So you can transfer your balance right in your online digital banking.
Nice.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay. And this card is really straightforward, Marvin. Okay. So you can save with 0% APR introductory rate for 6 months.
Right.
On purchases if you make them within the first 90 days of having the card, okay? And then after that, of course, you're going to get your regular APR, whatever that may be based on your credit, okay? The other thing about this card is it has a lot of other benefits, like it has the LifeLock.
Okay.
So, we talk about putting that alarm system all the time on your credit,
yes.
To make sure that nobody is committing identity theft on you.
Right.
So this right here is a good way for you to do that. And Marvin, I'm loving these cards are starting to come with a lot of other benefits that can protect you as the consumer.
And another hack, guys, I used to apply for cards when I knew I was going to have high utilization. I would apply for the card and I would ask for the balance transfer at the same time. So that could be really cool to actually help you get approved for a card like this.
Yeah, Marvin, that right there is amazing. And another thing I love about this card, Marvin, there's no balance transfer fees.
Right.
Okay, there's no annual fees, no cash advance fees, and no foreign transaction. That right there, Money Magnets, can be a cash flow changer. Now let's dive into the next card, Marvin.
All right, guys, now we're going to talk about the Platinum Rewards Secure Card. Now, this is if you have credit issues or you got a thin credit file. So now for every dollar you spend, you get a point. You can earn unlimited points and it's no annual fee. So this is if, you got thin credit and you want to build credit, or even if you're in credit repair, all of those months that you're in credit repair, get a card like this so that when all the negative stuff falls off, guess what? you got some good credit. And try to put at least $300 on this. And every time you can save extra money, make this limit go up higher. So guys, when they may graduate you over to an unsecured card. So this is for everyone that needs to build credit or has credit issues. But Gloria, let's tell them about the personal loans and lines of credit.
Okay, Marvin. So the first loan is the personal signature loan. Okay. One thing I love about this credit union is their products go up to $50,000. We want to keep that in mind, money magnets. Okay. So with this loan has a low interest rate. Okay. And you know, there's no sign-on fees.
Right.
And there's no prepayment penalties. So I love that. So if you want to pay this off early, you don't get dinged for that. Now let's talk about the next loan that they offer, Marvin.
All right, they have the Premier line of credit. Now this is for unexpected expenses, but you want to keep your monthly payments under control. The good thing about this one, they'll let you pay interest only on this. So guess what? That'll give you a better payment if you have a lot to spend on a particular project. But let's go to the next loan, Gloria.
Okay, Marvin. The next loan is the overdraft line of credit. Okay. Now this goes up to $10,000. And what it does is it attaches to your checking account.
Right.
So if you have anything like, just say, for example, you wrote a check and you didn't quite have enough, it'll pull from your overdraft line of credit to cover that particular purchase. This is a good way to keep you from getting in check systems and things of that nature by overdrawing your account.
Exactly.
So lines of credit attached to your checking account is always a win-win situation. Now let's dive into the next product.
All right, guys, I really like this one if you're building credit. It's called the Shared Secured Loan. Now this one goes up to $500,000 and you can get payments up to 144 months.
Wow.
That's crazy. So if you're really trying to build your credit, let's say you're 30, 40 years old, had a bad time, and now you're trying to get back to where you were, try to put as much money as you can on this shared secure loan and pay it off as quickly as possible. And guess what? It's going to skyrocket your score, guys. So this is for anyone who's going through credit repair or has a very thin credit file and wants to build credit in a hurry.
Yeah, Marvin, they're stating, these credit unions now are saying bad credit is okay.
Yeah.
Because keep in mind, money magnets, credit unions is all about embracing and empowering the community.
Right.
So they're nonprofit organizations. So that's what they're all about, is helping you get to the next level. And this is a good way for you to get started by checking out some of these secure products.
Yeah.
Now let's go over to Marvin. They have a great auto loan product. Let's look at that.
Okay, sounds good. All right, guys, with their auto loans, I love it. They go up to 120% of the value of the car.
Wow.
You can also use their Auto Smart platform if you're looking for cars. And one of the good things about it, you don't have to get a ton of inquiries on your credit when you go to the dealership. We always tell our clients, look, you go to a car dealership to get a car, not to shop for money. So you can get one inquiry and get pre-approved right at Andrews Federal Credit Union, then go to the car dealership and pick out the car of your dreams.
Okay, Marvin, let's not forget. Andrews, they do have a mortgage side, okay?
Right.
So we're going to dive into the first program that they offer, okay? So they do have a first-time home buyers program,
Right.
okay? And I love this because, you know, there's a lot of young people that are just getting started.
Yeah.
You know, so they give you up to $1,500 in closing costs, which that can be, you know, that can be major, Marvin. Yeah. And also they have low down payments and you only have to put like 3% down. That sounds like a FHA to me, you know, with 3% down, but it's not FHA. You know, FHA have some, you know, strenuous rules, but with this program, you can still get to that 3%, you know, down for a first-time home buyer. So Marvin, let's go over to some of the other programs that they offer on the mortgage side.
All right, they got a first-time home buyer grant program where you can get assistance up to $12,500. That can be huge on your first home. And then they got a ton of mortgages. I mean, they go from conventional to jumbo, but the ones that stuck out to me the most was they got a VA loan and they also have a USDA loan if you live in a rural area or by a farm. With those loans, I actually bought some USDA houses for investment. And my first house was actually a USDA house. And you can get up to 100% on those loans, guys. Don't sleep on the VA if you're in the military or the USDA. if you live in a rural area or near a farm, those loans could save you a ton of money. But Gloria, let's get them a recap and tell them how they can join Andrews Federal Credit Union.
Okay, so Marvin, when joining, okay, we talk about this all the time, just being a part of the American Consumer Council.
Right.
Like this can open the doors up for you to join so many different credit unions, okay? Now, if you go there, you can put in the word consumer and you can get a free membership. That'll save you like $8 for membership, and it's a lifetime membership, okay?
Right.
Also, keep in mind, Money Magnets, this credit union pulls Experian.
Right.
And we want you to have a decent credit score when we're talking about joining these credit unions and also diving into their products. Okay.
Right.
Now, we know that they do have a program for if you don't have such great credit. So don't dive in trying to apply for these cards if your credit is not, up to par, at least a 680. If your credit is not a 680, try looking at their programs that are for bad credit, but with the secure credit card and the secure loans. Those products can help you build to get to that point.
And remember, Andrews is going to pull your Experian credit report. So when you're joining, make sure you got under 3 inquiries on your Experian report. Also, low inquiries on your check systems when you open your checking account. I would suggest opening the checking account and then determine which products you want to apply for. And plan this, guys. If you can, open the checking account, do some direct deposits for 90 days, then go and apply for something. All right, those of you who have joined Andrews Federal Credit Union, please comment below what your experience is. Or if you're planning to join, keep us posted on what actually happens and what you get approved for. And remember, guys, like and share this video as well.
But hold up, Marvin. I have a gem.
Okay.
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for another credit union that's better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.